What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell your Magic Eden tokens. So the Magic Eden airdrop just started, and if you want to cash out pretty quickly, this is how you can sell your tokens. Now first off, you will need to open up your Magic Eden wallet right here, and in your wallet go to the portfolio tab right here. Now in the portfolio tab you will be able to find your Magic Eden tokens that you just received from the airdrop, so just go ahead and click on them and click this swap icon right here. Now when you're on the swap or trade tab, all you need to do is click this button right here to replace their spots and input the amount of Magic Eden tokens that you would like to sell. So let's say 21, just to round it up on 100, and go ahead and click swap right here. And now the swapping is in progress. So if this pops up, just go ahead and click this little arrow back. And there we go. The swap is complete. So as you can see, I swapped 21 Magic Eden tokens for 0.55 Solana. Now I will just click OK. And now let's go to our portfolio and see if the Solana is arrived. And there we go. Here you can see the Magic Eden tokens at the moment, and here you can see the Solana that we just received from that swap that we did a second ago. So that's guys how you can sell your Magic Eden tokens in the Magic Eden wallet. If you found this video helpful, you can watch this video right here that guides you through the airdrop if you haven't checked if you're eligible yet. So thank you guys for watching.